To create an icon for electrical installation, here is the first way. Draw a rectangle in the shape of the future symbol. Now insert any standard text, it doesn't matter. Now select the complete rectangle together with the text. Right click on it, go on Selection, Functions and Graphic Selection. The selected elements are now grouped. Now right click on the grouping again and go to Functions, Graphic to Standard. By the appearance of a reference name, it becomes clear that the grouping has become a symbol. Now the symbol editor can be selected by right click on a symbol. At first sight it looks like the symbol is much too big, but it is simply as big as it was drawn in the scale of the electrical installation plan. This doesn't have to worry us, because the symbols are all freely scalable when they are placed. But in order to be able to orientate ourselves better, we switch on the orientation item. Now we delete the standard text that we entered to create the symbol. As next, we insert the placeholder function text. Click on Add Placeholder. Under Symbol Text, select the function text. Here in the Properties, select the alignment Center Center. Now place the text nearly to the symbol center. Now add as many connection points to the symbol as you need. Choose circles as pin type. These will be easier to recognize later. The pins should always be placed on the edge of the symbol. Since the symbol editor has adopted the grid of your electrical installation plan, it is a good idea to place the first pin on one of the center lines. From there, distribute the pins to the left and right with a distance of 4 grid points. My way is to simply duplicate the first placed pin. So, set the pin, mark the pin, press Ctrl and D for duplication. Move it with the arrow keys 4 times in the desired direction. And again press the plus key until no more pins have space. You can use this way also for the other direction. Ctrl D. 4 times movement and the plus key, enter, and it's okay. The fact that now all pins have the number 1 does not worry us in the electrical engineering, since these are not defended. Open the Pins tab on the left and select all pins. Select the first pin, hold Shift and select the last pin. Now right click on the pins and open Properties. In here, set the property from pin number and pin name from visible yes to no with a double click.